know that you can reduce the glycemic index of your bread and manage your blood sugar level? This can be done with the process of retrogradation. I'm sure you would have heard about this, but what is retrogradation and why is it important for people with diabetes? See, when starchy food like bread, pasta and rice cools after cooking, they undergo retrogradation, making them resistant starches. And these resistant starches digest more slowly, leading to a gradual rise in your blood sugar level. And this is a great news for anyone managing diabetes. Here's a quick recipe what you can follow using this hack. For a healthier veg sandwich using retrogradation, freeze 2 slices of whole grain bread overnight to enhance the starch resistance. And then toast the frozen bread until they are crispy. Layer cucumber and tomato slices, grated carrots and sprinkle with salt and pepper. Your food is ready. You can enjoy this simple, tasty and diabetes-friendly sandwich. But do you also want a personalized diet plan for diabetes management? If yes, please comment diet and we will DM you the plan. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe and stay tuned for more healthy tips.